Position yourself behind the victim's head. Place the wide end of the mask on the victim's chin and the narrow part over the nose. Place your thumbs parallel on each side of the hard part of the mask. Your thumbs should point towards the wide part of the mask. Hook both pinkies under the angle of the jaw and place the remaining fingers under the lower jaw. Lift your pinkies and fingers, slightly tilting the head backwards. This opens the airway. While the mask remains fixed in place, the first aider performing the compressions squeezes the bag with one hand for 1 second. Stop squeezing when the chest rises. Allow the chest to return to its starting position, then squeeze the bag again to cause the chest to rise.